AI is rapidly changing in the world, and the field of software development is no exceptions. If you write a code, these tools can help to optimize the process to greatly improve your productivity and make your life easier. I'm going to show you top 5 AI tools, and the first we want to talk about GitHub Copilot. It is an AI-powered code completion tools developed by GitHub and OpenAI. It saves time by automating a repeating code task to help avoid a syntax and a logical error. It can inspire to build a new coding approaches and a solution. And number 2, codium. It is a free AI-powered coding assistant that provides a code suggestion completions and even chat support. It is designed to help you write a code faster, with a fewer error and with a more confidence. It is an amazing tool that significantly enhance your coding workflow. Give it a try and let me know in the comment how it worked for you. Number 3, Visual Copilot. These tools that use advanced algorithms to help the developers to generate a clean and efficient code from Figma designs. It is perfect for creating HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code from your design markups. Visual Copilot also offers advanced features like generating high-quality JavaScript code with loops and conditions, and also creating functional components from elements. And another we want come by AI. It's converted design markups into codes and perfect for creating emails and websites. These tools that uses deep learning and historics markups to help developers to generate a high quality UI codes from designs file. These 5 AI tools definitely used for coding generator. If you like these 5 AI tools, please subscribe my YouTube channel and comment in the section below.